Hello guys, I told you in the last card pack unboxing video that I would get the Dunkelosteus pack next, and I did. So, let's open it. Oh boy. Oh man, there's a lot of food that will come in handy for feeding the Dunkelosteus. Woo! Oh dang, 650 loyalty points. Dunkelosteus is now available to purchase inside the Dino Market. Yes! Look at that. Oh yeah. I might do this one. I might not. I'm probably not going to. I'm probably not going to do that one because I got him, the crap, what was he? The Cenozoic guy, creature. I got him in the last episode, and now I got Dunkelosteus. So I'm gonna hatch Dunkelosteus 3 days. Well, I'll see you guys in 3 days for the next Dunkelosteus video. This is part 1. So I'll be back in 3 days with a new Dunkelosteus video. And I only have 2 Dino bucks left. So see you guys in 3 days for the next Jurassic World, the game video.